Welcome to Section 3 of the Serverless Programming Solution course, Building a Serverless e-commerce application. In the previous section, we learned about AWS Lambda integration. In this section, we are going to use serverless components to implement an e-commerce website, understanding event-driven interaction and AWS service usage in a real application. A serverless e-commerce solution. In this video, we will introduce the architecture of our application, comparing serverless and non-serverless approach. Let's talk now about e-commerce. E-commerce usually means a customer that connects to a website where he is able to browse a product catalog, make an order, and proceed to checkout. Depending on your application, you may also control the shipment phase. As a site owner, however, you will be able to manage products and check orders and payments from your customers. The usual architecture for a complex e-commerce website includes some servers to handle user interactions, the first row of EC2 instances you see in the picture, some backend servers for business logic execution, the second row of EC2 instances, and a storage layer where to save customer orders and product information, the two RDS instances. This is a resilient and performance-wise solution where both backend and front-end servers are behind load balancers and are in auto-scaling groups for the architecture sides to be elastic on the incoming traffic. In addition, the database is replicated in master slave, and the CDN is used to speed up access to static resources. In a serverless solution instead, lambdas are the glue for the architecture. The user visiting the site will receive all the static resources, including HTML and JS, from an S3 bucket. The user browser will then be responsible to start the interaction with business logic exposed through the API gateway. Other components like DynamoDB and SNSQ will be used to store information and integrate the different parts of the application. As you may notice, in this serverless case, we did not explicitly define the scalability for business logic or replication for database. This is one of the advantages of serverless as discussed in previous sections.